The world we're living in today is drastically different than it was even a few years ago. Now, more than ever, it's essential that you have the training, education, and self-defense liability insurance you need to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. That's why right now, when you activate your life-saving U.S. Concealed Carry Association membership at the Platinum or Elite level, you'll automatically get our brand new survival kit, valued at over $155 for free. Now this kit is jam-packed with equipment to get through an emergency situation, but you can't delay because we truly have a limited number of these, and I want to be sure you get one in time. Now remember, when you activate your U.S. Concealed Carry Association membership at the Platinum or Elite level, you'll get this free survival kit and the education, training, and self-defense liability insurance that comes with membership. When you activate your membership, you get access to exclusive self-defense education materials, the brand new U.S. Concealed Carry Association training and qualifications program, and self-defense liability insurance. Plus, it's all backed by the U.S. Concealed Carry Association's 365-day money-back bulletproof guarantee. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these amazing benefits and, in particular, this incredible survival kit offer. Activate your risk-free U.S. Concealed Carry Association membership today.
The USCCA is not an insurance company. A policy has been issued to the USCCA by Universal Fire and Casualty Insurance Company. That policy provides the association and its members with self-defense liability insurance, subject to its terms, conditions, limitations, and exclusions. Contact 1-800-674-9779 with any questions.